Hello all, I am Rajshekhar from Sunrise Institute of Education. Today I would like to discuss one important topic which is related to organic chemistry, that is identification of hybridization. Okay, this topic plays very important role for competitive exams. Okay, for NEET and MSET and JEE level. This is very important topic. Okay, first of all let us see first example, butene. Okay, that is 2-butene. Let us take, the name itself indicates but, means the root word it indicates 4 number of carbons. It has 4 number of carbons, but. And suffix indicates ene. Ene means it has double bond. The double bond is has in which position? Second position. That's why 2-butene. Okay. According to name, the root word it has indicates 4 number of carbon atoms. That's why you should write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ene, that is nothing but it is belongs to alkene series. Okay, here ene is present in which position? Second position. Okay, that's why you should number them 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the 4 carbon atoms. Here we want to find out hybridizations of these 4 carbons. Okay, let us take this expanded structure. Okay, how we write? Generally, each and every carbon atom is consisting of tetravalency. Okay, that's why these are the 4 carbon atoms. Okay, let us expand them. 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, it has only 1 hydrogen. Double bond. Same as it is the right double bond. Next, hydrogen. Next, CH3. This is the elaborated structure. Okay. Next, from left to right or right to left. Why? Because the double bond is present in between second and third carbon. That's why from left to right or right to left. Okay, the name is 2-butene. This is first carbon, 1, second, third carbon, fourth carbon. Okay, let us see. Generally, this first carbon is surrounded by 4 single bonds. Here, 3 CH sigma bonds is present. 1 is carbon-carbon, sigma bond is present. All are sigma bonds. Sigma, 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 sigma. That is nothing but this carbon tetravalency is surrounded by 4 sigma bonds. That is nothing but this is sp3 hybridization. Okay. The first carbon C1 has sp3 hybridization. Okay. Next, let us see second carbon. The second carbon is consisting of left side 1 sigma bond, the bottom side also sigma bond. This is multiple bond. This is belongs to double bond. This double bond is consisting of 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond is present. At least 1 pi bond, that is nothing but 1 pi bond is present. That's why it is belongs to sp2 carbon. This is belongs to sp2 carbon. That's why second one. C2 carbon is belongs to sp2 hybridization. Likewise, same third carbon. Third carbon is also consisting of 1 sigma. Next, this is also sigma, sigma, and totally 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. That's why this is also belongs to sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. C3 carbon is also belongs to sp2 hybridization. Let us see its fourth carbon. Likewise, first carbon, fourth carbon is also having 4 sigma bonds. Here 3 CH sigma bonds, 1 is carbon-carbon sigma. That's why this is also belongs to sp3 hybridization. First and fourth carbons both belongs to sp3 hybridization. The second and third carbon is belongs to sp2 hybridization. Fourth carbon is also sp3 hybridization. That's why here first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Okay, 1 and 4th carbon. This 1 and 4th carbons belongs to sp3 hybridization. The second and third carbon, these two is belongs to sp2 hybridization. Okay, this is the first example, that is the 2-butene. Okay, next let us see 1,3 butadiene. Okay, 1,3 butadiene. Its structure is CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2. It is a symmetrical molecule. Okay, why? Because here you should give numbering to the from left to the right or right to the left, whatever may be right. Why? Because it is a symmetrical molecule. The double bond is present in between first and second carbon and third and fourth carbon. That's why either from left to right, suppose for example this is first, second, third, fourth, 1, 3. These two carbons is having double bond. Suppose for example let us see right to left, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 carbons is consisting of double bond. It has two double bonds. That's why it has di. Buta means that is nothing but the root word is has 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ene, that is nothing but suffix. It has double bond. How many double bonds it has? 2. Suppose for example 3 double bonds is there, that is called as triene. 4 double bonds is that is called as tetrene. 5 is pentene. Like that. Okay. Suppose let us see its expanded structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 carbon atoms. Let us write 2 hydrogens. These are the 2 hydrogens. Next, write double bond as it is be. Double bond. Next, third carbon has only 1 hydrogen. Third carbon is also having 1 hydrogen. Next, write as it is the double bond. Next, 2 hydrogens. Okay, this is first carbon, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, let us find out hybridization of each carbon in the 1, 3 butadiene. First of all, let us see first carbon. The first carbon is consisting of, this is sigma. Single bond is nothing but must and should be sigma. This is also sigma. Here double bond is present, that must and should be consisting of 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. That is nothing but the first carbon is surrounded by 3 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay, here 1 pi bond is present. That's why it is belongs to sp2 hybridization. It is belongs to sp2 hybridization. What about second carbon? Second carbon is also consisting of 1 sigma. Next 1 pi. This right side is also consisting of single bond, carbon. This is also belongs to sigma bond. Next to carbon H, this is also sigma bond. It is consisting of totally 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. 1 pi bond is, and that's why this is also belongs to sp2 hybridization. Next, let us see third carbon. Third carbon, left side 1 sigma bond is present, bottom side sigma bond. Here right side double bond is present. Here in this double bond 1 sigma, 1 pi bond is there. Here is also 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond is there. That's why it is also belongs to sp2 hybridization. Let us see fourth carbon. This fourth carbon is also consisting of left side 1 sigma, 1 pi. Right side, this is sigma bond, this is also sigma bond. Total count them 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. So that's why this is also belongs to sp2 series. Okay, this is the second example, that is nothing but 1, 3 butadiene. Here in this 1, 3 butadiene, all the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons undergo sp2 hybridization.